Have you ever pondered on the question, why are we as humans, or any living organism for that matter, built the way we are? The answer lies within our genes, the blueprint of life. Today we dive into the world of genetics as we explore the classic work of Richard Dawkins, The Selfish Gene. Imagine a world where the fundamental units of life are not organisms but genes themselves. This is the realm that Dawkins introduces us to in the first chapter of his book. He challenges our traditional perspective of evolution, proposing that genes, not individuals or groups, are the principal level of natural selection. As we venture into the second chapter, Dawkins unravels the concept of replicators. He introduces us to the only replicator known to man, the gene. These tiny strands of DNA have been replicating, competing, and evolving for over 3 billion years, shaping the course of life as we know it. In the third chapter, Dawkins delves into the world of the immortal replicators. He discusses how genes have survived through eons by hopping from body to body via reproduction. It's a fascinating insight into the longevity and survival strategies of these microscopic entities. Moving on to the fourth chapter, Dawkins presents the idea of the gene machine. Here he explores the notion that organisms, including you and I, are merely disposable vehicles that genes use to ensure their own survival. A thought-provoking perspective, isn't it? In the subsequent chapters, Dawkins further elaborates on various strategies that genes adopt for survival. From the concept of altruism and kin selection in the family planning chapter, to the role of genes in aggression and conflict in Battle of the Generations and Battle of the Sexes, Dawkins paints a comprehensive picture of the selfish nature of genes. In the final chapter, Dawkins introduces the concept of memes, a term he coined to describe units of cultural transmission or imitation. Just like genes, memes too, he argues, follow a process of variation, mutation, competition, and inheritance, further extending the gene's eye view of life. As we wrap up our journey through the selfish gene, it becomes clear that Dawkins' work is not just about biology. It's a philosophical exploration of who we are and why we are the way we are. It's a fascinating voyage into the world of genes, their strategies for survival, and their influence on our lives. And with that, we come to the end of our exploration of the selfish gene. If you enjoyed this odyssey into the world of genetics and evolution, ensure you subscribe to our channel for more intriguing book summaries. Remember, knowledge is the key to understanding the world around us, and there's always more to learn. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring.